the JEE journey from when you join to when you actually give the exam is always a tumultuous one. There are ups and there are downs. But if you like your subject, you can always enjoy it. And FITGI always gave me all the reason to enjoy my subjects and absolutely love this journey throughout the 2 years. And the test series, especially, I think gave me great insight into my um, misfallings, and I could always get back up from that and improve myself. The face tests also, I loved the fact that when the syllabus was divided into parts and you could test a whole 1/5 of the syllabus with one test, and that could always ensure in-depth clarity of all those topics in each phase, so that no topics were left out, especially. And all the 5 phases I felt were very equally distributed. So overall, the phase tests were very great, and the AI Square TS especially I felt gave me a good standing of where I was in the overall competition, and the questions were always very wonderful and gave good conceptual clarity. FITGI school material was actually quite nice, and the modules were we there were lots of illustrations and examples. I feel which helps build the concept and the understanding for a student very well. And the overall collection of questions they had, especially the breakup karke, like the in text and then the final exercise also with different types of questions, gives a versatility that also gives confidence in the topic and helps you understand better. It was a great idea to offer recorded lectures, especially for people who went to school, so that in case lectures were missed on any day at all, you could always come back and go back to those topics and make sure you did not miss any moment of the class. And recorded lectures were very great, and mostly the doubts clearing could happen without having online lectures live in certain cases due to the doubt clearing cell, etc. I think the best part is the fact that it can bridge the distance between the students and the teachers very well. Like the entire concept of the coaching online can allow access to quality education to people living in remote areas and people with parents in transferable jobs, so that even when you get transferred from place to place, you can have consistent online classes to help you through it. I would definitely recommend my juniors to join FITGI school, especially from remote places. And it was a very wonderful experience to have the teachers so encouraging and so motivated always through the lectures. And of course, the test series provided with the FITGI was absolutely great for me. And overall, 2 years is mostly enough, but if you start before, I think it gives you a prepared mental state in which you know what you have to do in 11th and 12th and gets you more ready for what is to come if you join before.